brand name Sinopulse, and this is our host specifications. This is the host. This is the host size, 5'8". You can see the working pressure and the measure certificate number on it. As our company has our own measure certificate, you can find the measure certificate on the official website.
Okay, let me introduce two items, and this is you can see this is two silver graded, and you can see the working pressure is there, and also Masha, and this hose is used used for the used to wear reinforced, and you can check the Masha certification in the hose surface there. Okay.
This is a host. It is R2. As you can see, it has a smooth surface, and you can see the host structure from this surface. It with two steel wheel referenced. Our company sell our brand Sinopulse to our products, and we also can produce for our customers brand. Then we also provide the ley line design service to our customers.
Okay, this is SAE 100 R6, and you can check the working pressure here and the Masha number here, Masha certification. And this, you can say, this is made of one steel wire, and we have also two steel wire. It's named SAE 100 R6, R3. Okay, and this is R6.
一会儿领导一来的时候，您就一定要流利自然，就不能断。要不然，你看有一些人进来，你要很熟练的人。
4SP。
声音对大点，自然一点，声音大点啊。俩来的近点，要不这男同志出去了。你看一下平衡啊。就反正领导来了之后，你们就随便说，他们听懂，但是不能乱，声音大点啊。
Okay, I choose the next hot sample. This is the hot for SP. As you can see the hot structure of this surface. This hose is referenced with first barrel hose, UVR hose. This hose is referenced with the first UVR stereo referenced. This sample is one quarter inch. The working pressure and the measure certificate is on it there. This standard are both referenced with first year referenced hydraulic hose for SP, Sinopulse for SP working pressure, and the national certificate.
Okay, let's see this first. This is R280, and you can see the Masha number, Masha certification in there, and working pressure here. This is two steel wire braided hose, and you can see the working pressure here. This this is smooth surface, and we have also watered surface too. If you have if you need other color, we can also provide like a blue color.
The sample is this sample is the R50. We can see the hose is referenced with 6 spiral referenced R5. The hose is high working pressure. The working pressure can reach 500 bar. This is the short sample.
Okay, let's see this sample. This is vapor surface R280, and this is also its Masha number, Masha certification, and working pressure, and this was used for the temperature to the max temperature can be used in 100 temperature, and this is two steel wire braided hose. Is very perfectable.
可以直接录下来。看来我之前被那个实验室生产。For the production, our hydraulic hose will go through a series of tests before the production, during the production, and after the production. Every step is if one of step can't reach the standard of the test, we will not agree the hose sale to the customer. Before the production, all of our raw material will go through the test in the laboratory. The material will go through the adhesive test, steel wear test, and harness test. For example, the material of the rubber of the inner rubber, outer rubber, and the reference must meet the standard of must meet the standard. If not, will the rubber will not agree you will agree to use in the production.
Okay, this is R180, and you can see this is a big side. This side is, you can see there, 1.5. This big size we always use a vapor surface, and for the small size we can use a smooth surface. It has a different price, and you can see the matcha certification here, and also working pressure. The temperature is used for the maximum temperature can be 100, and you can see here is one silver graded hose. And for the hose longs, we always we can also use 95 between 95 to 100, and if you have requirements in the line, we can use 50 meters one row or 100 meters one row. Yes.
Will conduct the strict quality control of the material and the house. Hello, this is Rita from Sinopulse. Hello, this is Rita from Sinopulse company. Sinopulse is established in the 2001, have more than 18 years. Our product has exported to our product has exported to more than 80 countries. As you can see, we exported hydraulic hose, industrial hose, and the all pencil fittings to our customers. We conduct the strict quality controls of all the products. If the product not reach the standard not reach the standard, we will not allow this product sell to our customer. Now let me introduce the hydraulic hose. As you can see, this is a product of SAER2. As you can see, this is our brand name, Sinopulse, and this is the product name. SAER2. This is the product working pressure, and the last part is the Masha number of our hydraulic hose. All of our house has our own Masha certificate. Our factory has our own certificate number. You can find the certificate number on the official website. As you can see, this is the house structure of the service. It is two steel mirrors. We can produce, we sell our brand to our customers Sinopulse, and we also can produce our customers' house brand. and actually we can provide the ley line design for service to our customers.
Okay, you can see this is ICE 100 R280, and this is smooth surface. For this hose, we also have the wiper surface, and you can see there this is our company logo, Sinopulse, and the size is a half, and the working pressure you can see there. Working pressure and the MASHA certification is here. This is two steel wire braided hose, and you can see the hose structure here. For the hose structure, we also have the 4 and 6 and 1 steel wire braided, and this is smooth surface. Okay.
Sinopulse is a house factory that was established in 2001, have more than 18 years. We exported our products to more than 80 countries all over the world. As you can see, we exported the hydraulic hose, the industrial hose, and the fittings. We have our own factory, and we can promise the quality and the supply quantity to our customers.
Okay, and this is ICE 100 R180, and its size is 1.5. You can see the working pressure, Russia certification here, and also our company logo here. This is, you can see the whole structure here, and this is one silver braided hose, and this for the big size we also use vapor surface, and for the small size we can use smooth surface. If you want to choose the surface, you can tell us, and for the hose length, we can use 50 meters one row or 100 meters one row. If you have any requirements, please tell us.
We will conduct strict quality control of our products, and the quality control will divide it into three parts. The raw material test in the laboratory before the production, and the quality control during the production, and the quality inspection after the production. Before production, we will take samples of our materials for quality testing in the laboratory. Control the quality by implementing the changes of the rubber in the process of the workshop. All materials, inner rubber, outer rubber, middle rubber, steel wire, must be qualified after the laboratory testing and designed that we can use them for production. If the workshop uses the raw material that not signed by the laboratory, they will be fined. This is our core concept. All raw material must be tested and qualified according to the factory standard.
Okay, and this is widening hose, and the 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 blue one you can use to pass oxygen, and the red one you can pass other gas. And this is used for the widening, and it always used to connect with wedding machine. And this is also two. This is a black and it made a it reinforced is one fiber reinforced and this is very flexible. You can see yes, flexible. If you have some special usage, you can use this. Yes.
And for hydraulic hose, we also supply the fittings, the ferrules, and the fittings with different stride, like the metric, PSP stride, NPT, JIC, and the ferrules. We could supply the fittings for the braided hose, and we also supply the fittings for the spiral hose and the same for the barrels. Hydraulic fittings, we could supply the separate fittings and the barrels. We also supply the piece fittings. And now I choose one fitting. This is JIC male. JIC male female fitting. And this fitting is produced with the carbon steel, with the zinc completed with different size from size 1/4 to 2. This one is small one for the 1/4.
Okay. Let's see this goes. This is ICE 100 R6 and the size is 5/8 and its Marshall certification is here and also working pressure. This is our company logo and this hose we can also produce R3. This kind of hose also called multi-purpose hose and that means this hose is not only we use for the oil, but we also use for the air and water. And this hose, the working pressure of this hose is a little higher than the normal industrial hose. So if you, so like the working pressure is maybe 2.4 MPa and the rubber hose it is a little higher than the industry hose, and the surface is vapor surface. We can you can also see this. This is the smooth surface. We can also produce both two surface. If you have any requirement, please tell us. Yes.
We are a top and leading manufacturer specialized in hydraulic hose, industrial hose, and fittings, with more than 20 years, with more than 20 of rich experience in this industry. We adhere to high quality. We adhere to high quality standard all the time, equipped with the most advanced third generation Germany equipment. Our company has established completed quality file of international certificates, including Masha certificate, SAE, and GOAT, or Council international certificate. And we are also recognized as national high-tech enterprise, could be specialized and refined enterprise. We all for We own four production bases in total, covering more than 100 acres of lands, with a production workshop of 80,000 square meters. The daily production capacity for rubber hose can reach 70,000 meters. We also have our own fitting factory to guarantee stable supply, and the quantity is under control. Quantity is under control. We also have our own fitting factory, and our quality and quantity can also under the control.
Okay, you can see this is PVC hose. For the PVC hose, we have many kinds of hose, like garden hose and transparent hose, PVC braided hose, and like this, transparent braided hose. You can see there the whole structure is made of it have one steel wire. This is one steel wire braided transparent PVC hose. For this hose, we usually use 100 meters one row or 50 meters one row. If you have any requirement, you can tell us. We can make you we can make it with your requirement. And for this hose, we, in the Europe market and United market, we always sell the 1 inch to them. This is the hot seal size, and this working pressure is a little lower than the industrial hose and hydraulic hose. So if you need this, you can call us. Yes.
Next, I will introduce a hot PVC hot sample. As you can see, this is a fiber referenced PVC house. You can see the structure of the fiber, and it has a white and blue strip on the hose surface. This hose uh, is produced with the PVC material, and this kind of hose popular size is 1/4. We can sell to our customer with all kinds of size, and the PVC material is with high quality. We never use the secondary material to our customers.
Okay, and this is fitting. Uh, we not only sell the hose and we also sell these fittings. The different size used for the different hose and also always we sell like this. This is assembly. It's made of one hose, one fitting, and two fitting. In and you can see the hose size is of a half, and working pressure, Masha certification, and this is assembly. You can customize the fitting and the hose. You can use your if you have any requirements, you can tell us and use your own hose. It's okay. And this is a vapor surface, and we can also make smooth surface assembly with two fittings. Or if you only need one fitting, we can also produce hose with one fitting. And you can see this is another kind of fitting. And this, they are different. It's used for the different holes and different environment. If you have any requirement, please tell us.
Now let me introduce another fittings. This kind of fittings named camlock fittings. It have different materials. As you can see, this material is nylon material. The camlock fittings include nylon, stainless steel, 303 and 304 stainless steel material, and brass material. The different catalog have different outlooks. They are most of them used on the industrial halls. This is a type D of the camlock.
Okay, let's see the PVC holes. You can see this side. Inner diameter is 38. Yes, and this you can see the whole structure is made of fiber reinforced and use fiber radiator to make the holes more strong. And the working pressure is lower than this hydraulic hose. And for the material, you can use if you have any requirements, we can use your choice like nylon and NBR. This is the different rubber, and for this hose, we also sell inner diameter. You can tell me what inner diameter you need, and we can produce the product you need. Okay.
停了，哎，没停吧？
不是没停
没停，没停。其实现在的也行，这点像8点之春，那个下一批是几点？11点，现在是11点半，前后的。哦，11点2格，11点半1格。没停。
This is let me introduce the next sample. Hot sample. This is a sample of high pressure jet washer house. It with a high pressure used in the washing process. As you can see, this is WR2SN, and its inner diameter is 8 millimeter. Its size is 560 inch, and its working pressure is 350 bar. Yes, it's so high pressure. This cover surface is blue. We can provide the color according to the customer needs. As you can see, this hose structure. It is steel wire brand.
Okay, let me show you this fitting. And you can see the side here is used for the dash number is 12, and so it means this hole is used for the 12 dash number holes, and this this is different kind of fitting. This and this is also a different fitting. Different fitting have different look like, and used for the different environment and like this. One connected with the hose and one connected with the machine. Like you can use this, it connected with the machine. And this, if you have if you want to use in a flexible environment, you can use this fitting because it has a 90 degree. Yes, you can see. And this is also one connected with the hose, one connected with the machine. And for the material, we use steel. Yes, and if we put this on the hose, it looks like this. Just like this. This is assembly. It is made of one hose, two fitting. You can see here, and the hose size here, the working pressure, the Marshall certification, and the fitting must have the same size with the hose, because this can mix them together. Yes, and you can see it is very flexible. Yes, if you have the requirement, you can use this fitting. Put this on the hose. You can connect with your machine, and yes, if you have this requirement, please tell us. Okay, this is a very flexible blue color.
Fiber referenced.
Fiber reference 的那个 hose. Yes, very flexible, and you can see the whole structure. The fabric make it more strong and make it more strong. Yes, but the working pressure is lower than the hose we use like this, hydraulic hose. The working pressure is lowest in this with all kind of hose. Yes.
We have different kinds of PVC hoses, include PVC garden hose, PVC fiber referenced hose, and PVC leaf flight hose. All these kinds of PVC hose we can provide. If you have any need, please please contact us. As you can see, this is a PVC fiber referenced hose. It is one layer fiber referenced. The referenced structure like this you can see, and it is produced with blue color. This hose can used in many applications. We can make it in 5 meters per row or 100 meters per row, according to customers' needs. And all the size of these two samples we can provide. If you have any requirement, please contact us. Thank you.
Okay, and for all this kind of tools, we have a series test, and every step we have a certification. Before the test, uh, we will test the raw material and rubber and the strength of the steel wire at our labor. Only if pass the test we can use to make them to into the holes. Unless we will not use because it is it this is our professional service. And labor test before the product after the hose finish we test the outer of the hose and make sure each pieces of the hose have no we have no defective this hose. So like this fitting. Yes, this is a fitting. This dash number is 1212. It means this fitting used for the hose diameter is 20, is also 12. Only use 12 they can connect together like this. One fitting, one hose is called assembly. You can also see the hose. You can also see the hose working pressure, market certification, and the hose size here. Yes, and we can use different fittings like this fitting if you have any requirements for the environment. Always one fitting connect with the hose, one the other side we connect with the machine. Yes. Okay, and after the hose finish, we will test the quality. Only the only the hose can reach our quality. We can sell them. We can sell the hose to our customers. It, this is our after sales service.
This is a fitting that used on the hydraulic hose. As you can see, there have two marks. It is American, and you can see the inside of the fitting. It has the 60-degree cone, so it is 60-degree cone seal. It is a female fitting, and this fitting is 90 degree. Yeah, it is 90. Uh, this fitting is produced with carbon steel, and our fittings can can use for
Okay. Okay. If the let me tell you the test. If the host have any defective point, we will cut it and not sell to the customers. We after the product to deliver to our customers, we will check the quality. Don't not have any defective point and very perfect and very flexible. And for our production equipment is for the first step rubber mixing. Our our okay. I see this fitting. Yes, fitting. This fitting and is a long fitting. If you have time. Let's see this short fitting. They also have the 90-degree and used for the different environment. If you have special requirement for the environment, you can use this to connect with your host, and if always use this, this can also connect with the host, and this is a two fitting connector with the host is called assembly. One fitting, one hose, and another fitting. If you have any special requirement, you can use different fitting like this, and also this. Used for the different environment and for the usage, it can use a lot of usage like the mountain equipment and some industrial machine. Yes, and this is also fitting. You can connect with the host like this. Yes. Okay.
可以了，开始吗？
Now let me introduce the next fitting samples. As you can see, this is a quick coupler. It has a male and female couplers. It can divide it into two parts. They can use this side can connect with the house, and this side also can still connect with the house. The middle part can this part, and they can also connect together. This fitting is so. This fitting is so this to the customers. It is made with the current steel material.
你们要歇一会儿吗？
可以。
可以。
你们把麦都关掉。可以开的。今年1月就开业了，
是，应该是有时
1
候
月就开业了，突然梦的草。2点钟回来，在这里。那就开业了，是电话不是？我不想帮我把你给开了。
那条是不是可以给 AC？
刚才去开业了。有声呀？你吃一个，为什么发给我不是发给？那会不会来成？来成？这是几个？有什么呀？
清洗吧，低压瓦顶子。对，高压清洗。就压力比较高。是这个。
你相当于不会。哎。我来。呀。现在让他周围。
就上次那个父母培训的时候说过这样。但是这边没直播，
我知道，而且因为有个教练一起，我觉得唱电视。
有经验吗？什么经验？是不是？平常又是一个。
哦，所以你先把礼物给这样的。哪几个地？哪几个？那你们在这唱的啥？你要是在那唱的啥？
特别扣压一些。
基本的他的就唱好了。你唱干嘛？
编织培育性编织，这什么？这什么呀？什么 PVC 设计？ 项羽
P 项
可有 house，
口有
有来干什么？这个是它在最后一页，在这个 PA 它有 PA6和 PA12这个词。他的问题太大类了，可以说上。
你直接搜那个 VQ 就行。
你看你划掉 L 就有人进来，你咱俩的时候就没人进来。
刚才有冒死，
哪个？第
还有一个运营，第4个人是运营。
B C 最后一个也是自己查的。
B 是谁？
也是自己
搜索是谁？大学4年。孙建中经理，经理的 B。今天出来，
继续这个。
今天的联系他，
放完假了，800多。
这个地方是什么？
其实就填了，填他给我号对着他。那个以前那回来找。
小青的，然后说完名字的，但是原来的名人不写，然后我就说不出来。
没有。
副卡的是，而且真的是副卡好像是哪个就要选择同一个网络。以前就可能是一个TD，另外一个是在第4上岗。然后本年就付了我叫 USTV， 对，这个就付不出来，怎么付都付不出来。昨天晚上还在弄，还是弄不了。
我这个
真的好看运气啊！他那个在身上还有不久，他们经济事业主他们
现在在这儿，
对客户还是中的。
一个人在上经理，
他们经理理解不了。
他们把这个降下去的，基本上我哥就是那个经理。
对，经理不用他。我有一个泰国客户也是比较有经历，没在选经理，一直在那跟我说，你就干点什么做高端营养品的事。
我一看那个有点事，
专业是
你像这个 PVC 这个价格，就找采购，就在这个企业微信上加采购。
然后我用自己微信跟他们沟通，我们后台那个编号好，现在我微信每天都是
你没有写吗？
有起来，但是很少起来很少。
对，先让他们。
那微信你现在还特别，
因为人家11点才来。
不可能。
啊，那这个你看有
我觉得一个别人不然你就
哦，他说咱们超过了10秒钟直播。那能不能我把这个先关闭？不是，就是这，我刚好让他们说会儿吧。那设置人数。还没下来好像。力度非常大。明天还不知道。反正惨，没请就是反正是这个去做。你看他本来是个3天，这个今天第5天，今天4个，下午。没事，还有呢，还有别的群。不是，这个是网的问题还是？会不会影响你们直播间的？鸡蛋。哎呀，鸡蛋。你好，赵主任。是欧泡了，要不要水？ 明天怎么了？什么？我明天怎么？
群里有，群里之前发的看然后
那肯定不是网的问题。手在齁了，手在齁了，你就要在这儿煮。压那个。
现在是好的是吧？
压那个。
那个好了，晚上买给你。晚上买给你都。
都有我也在那儿煮。
对，一天俺多少那种东西。
点这个是吧？还是不要吃？这个是前你刚才。
验证码。验证码。
哦，有了没？实验有了没？哎，不对。验证码多少？
秦总是你那个手机吧？不是吧？这个手机没收到验证码吗？
没有。
全是
就是你这个手机。
全是公司的人，除了告诉这样。
没有验证码。
那你看看有没有账号密码还是有什么？对。这是账号没有。有没有账号密码？
谁呀？
没有。那你的那个code呢？你的那个code。没有，我这边扫一下。
机器上。
清洗，我能清洗。
没事，哎，不行，不能扫。
我是。
再等一下。
能，你试一下。你把它吃到那个一层。对。
如果是一层吧。
我把那个，我的房顶那个卫星打在哪儿？我玩一下。手机上的。
这样看，这个是一层，这个是一层，生锈。
你不舒服吗？
有点。
我看你像感冒发烧的那种。
明天我还得吃冰场。
啊？
明天不过好像那个晚上还要去看他们直播的过程。
我的妈呀！别播了，别播了。不是了。
累死了，太起来了。
颜色。
你这个是说，
那里的水，那个车，别去。
网页了吗？
哦。这搜狐有的字，它不是可惜。年轻人学的太难学了。你在哪？为什么？是应该时间之间。
主要不注意，
挺好的，因为
这个月上几天班就出去，有工作注意上班。
你喜欢波头，其实我也喜欢皮头，他喜欢波头，我不喜欢。啊，张妹妹是什么？
5月份的时候有一个同学结婚，
有那个码吗？
后一天工作，5月1工的，上10月份的工时，还在扣1学期。
直接就对着这个选就行。
影响不行。
我直接这样，手机放耳朵上。啊，可以。
真好。
然后点这个吗？是点这个吗？然后点这个。可以的。
对。然后看一下，
对，谢谢之前可以可以说。写一点申请。
3环，没有，
没有，那现在是
3环那儿先，你点开那个软件，点完软件，然后3环那儿，3环那儿最右边，
这个。
对，点，然后呢？ 3行的左边可能就是你看着跟着他走，对不对？然后点 bridge，对，点，然后有一个最底下，最底下，对，
如果是东北的国家是吧？
对，OK。然后这个你就填填吧，因为哪个还交给后手，我也插过去，那插过去就行。
他是看见了，摸开，这个。直接点这个是吧？
你看看能不能开？能开，我还是再给你点个描述的。
可以。
可以了，OK，行，那你就录过去吧。
可以了，可以了是吧
？OK，过去吧。
时间开始，时间开始吧，当然开始吧，对，开始吧，先往外打。右边是指法啥？No，上来没带，照到地里。先拿来开呀。好了。
Hello everyone, this is Rita of Sinopulse company. Let me introduce our company. Sinopulse is a house and fitting factory that was established in the 2001. Have more than 18 years of export experience. So we have rich experience. We can export hydraulic hose, industrial hose, and all kinds of fittings according to the customer's requirements. We have exported these products to more than 80 countries. Uh, let me introduce the Let me introduce this product to you. This is an industrial house, a twin-wheeled house. This house with this house of the size 1/4 size is with the brass fitting is very popular of the American market. It is the normally of this house have blue red color one and green red one. This is a blue red one house. It is the 1/4 size is very popular of the American market. Usually equipped with the brass fittings. And it usually weighs 50, 50 feet, 75 feet, and 100 feet on package. The length can according to the customer needs.
Okay, let's see the because this is R100 ICE 100 R20 and this is working pressure, marshal certification, and you can see the whole structure is inner rubber and steel wire layers and out rubber. It uses it made of two layers still were braided, and the surface is smooth surface. For the surface, if the size larger than 1 inch, we only use the wrapper surface like this. And for the host packet, we also we usually use the 100 meter or 50 meters. If you can accept no confirmed longs, we can also produce the longs between the 95 to 105 meters, and the price also lower than the performance package. And for the for this hose, we also have the one silver braided hose, and it looks like looks like this. This is one, and its size is very small. Yes, you can see this. Okay.
The next sample is this. As you can see, is two acid hydraulic hose with a smooth surface. We can produce the hydraulic hose with smooth and wrapped hose according to the customer needs. Uh, this please please look at the structure of the reference. It has two steel wire print referenced, and the size is half quarter. We can produce the hydraulic hose of 20 meters per row, 40 meters per row, and 60 meters per row, and 100 meters per row of the two acid. Normally the four layers reference steel wire referenced can reach the 60 meters per row. As you can see, this is our brand name, Sinopulse. We can also produce the brand name of our customers. This is the product name with in 853 standard. This is the cost in the meters, 5 meters. This is our house walking pressure. And the last part is our master certificate. Normally, the smooth surface usually holds the earth is higher than the wrapped hardening host.
Okay, let's see this simple. 4SP and the working pressure is 45 MPa, and the Masha certification. You can see the whole structure, and it's made of 4 layers steel wire spiral. And if you if you if you want the whole working in a high pressure, this force can meet you quite because this force can hold a high pressure, and yes, it's very strong. So if you need a high pressure to pass high pressure liquid, you can use this force. And also there is jet washer hose. It can also hold a high pressure. You can see the working pressure here and Masha certification. And this is made of two silver braided. Yes, and we can also produce the blue color and the black color. and the surface, we also have the rubber surface and the smooth surface. The press may be different. You can, if you can expect a high price, you can use this, and this quality will be better than the black one. And this one, this is smooth surface jet washer hose, and it made of one steel wire threaded. Yeah, it's very flexible. If the environment you want to use in a flexible environment, you can use this. See, yes. And this is PVC hose. You can see the steel wire there. It's very strong. Yes, a strong hose. And for the PVC hose, we also have different kinds of hose, like the garden hose, transparent hose, and this is a transparent with steel wire hose. Yes.
Now I will introduce some industrial rubber hose. Industrial rubber hose has, for example, air hose, air water hose, water delivery hose, fuel oil hose like this. This hose have some different size, from 1/4 inch to 1 inch. This different industrial rubber hose have different size. They have two kind of covers, smooth cover and rough cover. As you can see, this is a smooth cover. Only our industrial hose of the small size can produce 100 meters for as according to the customer's needs. Now I will choose the industrial house to you. As you can see, this is a twin welding house. This is a rubber industrial house. It has two kinds of colors. Normally, blue red one and green red one. This is a blue red one with small size. This house with breastfeeding cells. This house with breastfeeding are very popular on American market. It's the American market. This house usually have 50, 75, and 100 feet of the package. And this kind of house with breastfeed is very popular in American market.
Okay, let's look this. This is a PVC fabric spiral hose, and this is steel wire. And this tool have this is flexible and this is strong. Yes, press they are. This is much expensive, and for the working pressure, the PVC hose is lower than the hydraulic hose and the industry hose. And for this is a fitting. It's a straight fit, and it has its number in the cap. Cap, yes, it's cap. And you can see the number like this, 1212. This is the Dutch number. The last 12 means it can connect with the holes that the holes the inner diameter of the hose is 12, and use this it can connect with the hose with the machine, just like this thing. Yes, yes, you can see this symbol. It's made of one hose, two fitting in uh, in two sides, and use this fitting. You can connect with the machine and hose. You can you can you can see this hose, working pressure, motor certification, and the size. If you have any requirements for the fitting or for the hose, you can product the production with your requirement. And then if you need a 90-degree fitting like this, we can also product this and like this. This can connect with the hose like this, and you can use your hose connect with your machine in a flexible environment. Yes, and this is a strict, straight, straight fitting. Yes, like this. Okay.
This group from Sinopulse company, we have more than 80 years and they exported to more than 80 countries. As you can see, we export hydraulic hose, industrial hose, and all console fittings like this, and the barrels used on the hydraulic hose. Now let me introduce the hydraulic hose, industrial hose one by one. From the start, I will introduce the hydraulic hose. As you can see, this is a hydraulic hose 2SN with a smooth surface. As you can see, this is our brand name, Sinopulse. We sell our brand Sinopulse brand to our customers. We also produce our customers' brand to them. This is the product name SA100 R280, and the working pressure is here. Last part is the marshal certificate. We have our own marshal certificate. You can find it on the official website. As you can see, this is the hose structure of the hydraulic hose. It has two steel wheel referenced. We can produce the hydraulic hose of 40 meters, 60 meters, and 100 meters according to customer needs. So next, I will introduce the industrial hoses. This is the industrial hose, twin welding hose. Normally, it has blue, red one, and green, yellow, and green, red one. As you can see, this is a blue, red one. This kind of hose with the brass fittings are popular to American markets. Usually with 50 feet, 75 feet, 100 feet on the package. The small size, for example, 1/4, it is very popular to American market. The next, I will introduce a PVC product. This is our PVC product. As you can see, you can see the fiber reference structure here, and the red and blue strip here. The inner tube is white, and it has a clear cover. This kind of hose is very flexible with lower working pressure, and you can use in many applications.
Okay, let me show you this symbol. This is a big symbol. You can see the whole structure here. Inner rubber, silver layers, and you can see this number. RSAE 100 R180. And this is working pressure here, and this is Masha certification, and Masha, this is our company logo. And for the surface, we have web surface and smooth surface. Like this, this is a smooth surface, and this different. This is one silver braided hose, and it can connect with fittings. This is fittings. Like this. This is also a fitting. And this is a straight fitting. This is 90-degree fitting. And if you have the requirement for the degree, you can use like this. We also have 45-degree fittings. When you connect it to the hose, like this. This is called assembly. One fitting, one hose, another fitting. It connects two fitting with one hose, and you can see this hose. R280 means it's made of two silver braided hoses, and the working pressure, Marshall number, and if you have any requirement for the fitting or for the hose, we can provide a special hose and fitting. You can also use your own fittings or your own hose. So for the fitting, we can have like this one and this one too. You can see the number here. This is dash number 1212. Means it can connect with the hose. The hose number is also 12. It can connect. Yes. When you connect them, it looks like this. This is a fitting. This is a assembly. One fitting, one hose, and another fitting. It can connect like this and connect your machine with your hose and another machine or something you use. If you have the requirement for the degree like this, 90-degree, you can connect one fitting, use this, connect them with your machine. And this is a big size fitting. If you use a big size hose, you can use this big size fitting. And for the PVC hose like this, blue color is fabric reinforced, and this is silver. This is more strong than this, and the price this is more expensive. And the advantage of this hose is very flexible. Yes, very flexible, very flexible.
As you can see, we different hoses need different fittings. As you can see, we have hydraulic hose fittings. This fitting is used in the hydraulic hose fitting, and this kind of fittings are used in the industrial hoses. For example, this kind of fittings, hemlock fittings, they have different materials such as brass, stainless steel, and nylon. This is a nylon material. It has different specifications and different sizes. This fitting is a small size used in a small size house. And these are the barrels. It was equipped with the hydraulic, equipped with the hose, and equipped with the related fittings. They like this fittings used on the barrels and they were wrapped on the horse. Now let me introduce this industrial horse. Industrial horse, the working pressure normally is 20 bar. Their their working pressure is lower than the hydraulic horse, up to the 20 bar. Normally, the hydraulic horse working pressure is more higher than the industrial horse. As you can see, let me introduce the industrial house for you. This is the ICE horse for you can see the diameter is 8 millimeters with a small size. You can see it's referenced with one layer polystyrene and its inner diameter is small too. It has a smooth surface. And this kind of hot working pressure is 20 bar.
Okay, let's see the feet. This is a big size feet, and this is a small size. The price may be different, and the biggest difference is you can see there. This is a double, and this is a fitting with a cap like this. The cap, you can see the size in the cap and this size in the cap. And this is a Dutch number in the hose. The last 12 means it can connect with the hose. The hose in diameter is also 12. They can fit with each other. And like this is assembly. It connected two fittings with one hose, and you can see the hose number R280. It means it has two silver braided and it's very strong. And if you have any requirement for the fitting or you want to use the 90-degree or 455-degree fitting, you can call us and we will product them. And for the hose, if you also want to use other hose or something, your own hose, you can also tell us, and we will make it with your requirement. And this is also a 90-degree fitting. This is a long and this is a short fitting. If you have if the environment is short, you can use a long fitting. If you have no need for this, the loss of the fitting, you can use this. This is enough. And for the package, we usually produce a package between the 95 meters to 105 meters. And you can also, and we also provide 50 meters one row or 100 meters one row. If you can expect 30% loss and the price will be a little lower than the standard loss, like 100 meters. It will a little expensive than the 95 meters. And for the test and certification, before the test, all the material, all the raw material and the raw rubber we will test. Only the material pass the test and we will use them. When they pass the test, we have our own certification, and each tab we have a certification. If the product or the hose has a effective point, we will cut the point and do not sell them to the customers. This is our after sale service. And then you can see this one. This is Faber reference hose. The working pressure is lower than the hydraulic hose, and each number can up to 115 temperature. And this tool is also PVC hose. One is fabric, one is steel wire. This is more flexible and this is more string. And the color, yes, the color, we can produce the blue color and the transparent and also red color. If you have any requirement, please tell us. Yes.
We can not only produce the hydraulic hose, we can also put the hydraulic hose and the fittings and bearings together to make a hose assemblies. This is the hose assemblies of R280. As you can see, it's a half quarter inch. It is the finished product of the assemblies. These two sides are both with the ferrules and the fittings. It can use directly. We can make the hose assembly the length according to the customer needs. If you can tell us the length you need, we can produce accordingly. It is a customer. It can produce according to a customer base. This is a small size, and this is the big size. Also, the big size we can also make the house assemblies. This is the R180 with the big size, like half quarter. It is a wrapped cover and with the one steel wire referenced. Normally, the big size can up to 60 meter, can up to 6 meters. This is a PVC product. We have different kinds of PVC product like PVC brain house and PVC garden house, PVC high pressure spray house, and PVC steel wire referenced house. This is a PVC referenced brain house. It with the fiber brain. You can see the fiber structure and of its structure. The cover is clear and the inner tube is white with the two strips blue and red. And it's very flexible. We can make it the length according to your needs.
Sure.
今天上午还来吗？还来吗？我的天哪！
行。因为这个处理高科水啊，这个
人都穷了，我根本念不了那么长时间。我说好佩服你，可以这样，而且念了好久。对我一紧张的话，我念东西特别的快。谢谢姐。
谢谢。
真是我一紧张念特别快。
念太多以后就不会念错了，所以念上点，我每个字，我就先介绍一下这个馆，介绍完馆的时候还可以装这个，装完之后就长这个样，长这个样之后再介绍一下馆，再介绍一下街头，介绍完这儿的街头之后，我再说如果你有这种情况，还可以用这种，然后我再介绍一下街头，我再用这种节奏，还可以用到这种节奏。
真聪明。
都3遍之后，然后再开始别的，再说点别的，我也有，这种时候显得比较重要。
有意思。就咱的水平，直播还得邀请客户，客户今天看讲的啥？就想让那个人，就想让那个人说他也进来看看。不是别的公司。
你是开始这个，就觉得开始这个。吃面了啊？吃面了，吃面了，是吧？没有开始，开始这个，那吗？开始，再开始。
开始啊！
开始啊！这刚才在你说的。那会儿在你说，现在还那个弄平台，我给你弄平台，做顾客的，开麦了，现在开始啊。
Hello everyone, this is Sinopulse Rita and this is my partner. Please introduce yourself to everyone.
Okay, my name is Shaw, and I'm Shaw from Sinopulse. Yes, Sinopulse is a very big factory. We welcome all the friends and all the customers to visit our factory. Our factory is located in China. Yes, it's a very beautiful city. I think everyone should have a trip in China. And for our company, we produce all kinds of hose. This is and this This is a different kind of hose. This is let me show you one by one. This is a hydraulic hose. Yes, you can see the number here. Yes, it's very strong, and this is PVC hose. Yes, it's more flexible, and this is PVC hose too. This tool is hose this tool belongs to the PVC hose, and this this one. Yes, this is the blue one.
Hi everyone, this is Rita from Sinopulse company. We established in 2001 and have more than 20 years. After more than 20 years, we exported our products to more than 80 countries. As you can see, our product include hydraulic hose, industrial hose, and castle fittings. As you can see, our product include hydraulic hose, wrapped wrapped surface, smooth surface, and the other product is industrial hose. Industrial hose also have smooth surface and wrapped surface. And our other product is fittings. The fittings include hydraulic hose fittings, industrial fittings, like this one like this, and this one. We also produce the sleeves or pencil size sleeves. Now let me introduce the hydraulics for you one by one. As you can see, this is the hydraulic hose. Its name is its specification is ICE 100 R280. Its size is half quarter inch. As you can see, this is our hydraulic product brands. We sell our brand to our customers. Sinopulse is our brand, and we can also produce our customers' brand. As you can see, this last part is the marshal certificate number. You can find the marshal certificate number on the official website. This is a smooth surface, and you look at this. You can see the steel reference structure from this. It was made of true steel wheel referenced. We can produce the hydraulic hose 40 meters, 60 meters, and 100 meters. The SAR tube can up to 100 millimeters. The next is the industrial house. We can produce the industrial house according to the customer needs. The industrial house also can make smooth surface and rough surface. The industrial house working pressure up to the 20 bar. Let me introduce a product of the industrial part. This is a twin building house. Normally it has blue bright one or green bright one. This is the blue bright one. This twin building house with the brass fitting are very popular of the American market. It can make 50 feet, 75 feet, and 100 feet on package to American part. This size is 1/4 size. Another part, this is our PVC product. Our PVC product include the PVC greenhouse, PVC garden house, and the PVC high pressure spring house, PVC light house. This is our PVC product range. As you can see, this is the PVC fiber reference house. You can see the reference structure. It is fibers referenced, and the inner tube is white, and the outer cover is clear. It with white and blue striped two strips, and the working pressure of it is very low. You can see this hose is very flexible, and we can make the glass according to the customer's needs.
Okay, let me show you the big size hose. You can see the hose number here. This number is R180, and you can see the size here, 1.5, and also the working pressure, matcha certification. And I will show you the whole structure. You can see here the inner rubber, the steel-wear layers, and the outside rubber. And for the whole surface, we also use flat surface and smooth surface like this. You can see these are different. For the price, the wrapper surface is a little cheaper than the smooth surface. And then for the holes, we have also these fittings. We also see these fittings like this. This is a 90-degree fitting, and this is a straight fittings. You can see, and you can see here. This is the fitting dash number. We have 1212. The last 12 means it can connect with the hose, which the hole's inner rubber inner inner diameter is also 12. They can connect with each other, just like this symbol. This symbol, you can see the hose number here, and it connects two fittings with one hose. This side straight hose, this side also straight fittings. And if you have special requirements, you can use this fittings, 90-degree fittings, and also this. This is also a 90-degree fittings. This one is long and this one is short. They are different, and the price they also different. This is much expensive, and for this hose you can see the two fitting. If you have any special requirement for the fitting or for the hose, if you want to use your own hose or use your own fitting to connect it with your machine, you can tell us, and we can produce only hose or only fittings for you. Just need you tell us your requirements. And for the other hose, you can see this hose. these two both belongs to PVC hose, and this is fiber reinforced, and this is steel wire. This is more stringy than the fiber fiber one. Yes, this is more flexible. If you want to use a environment that need flexible the hose like this, you can use this. And the color, you can see one is blue, one is transparent. You can choose the color you like, or if you don't have any special requirement for the color, you can also use the black one because the price for the black one is much cheaper. Yes, but if you have any requirement for color, you can tell us, and we will produce the post with with you with your needs. Yes, and this is also a transparent with white inner rubber hose. And you can see this is fiber reinforced hose with two colors. One color is red, one color is black. Yes, black one. This is a symbol of this hose. Many of our customers in South Africa need this. Yes. And for the fitting, we also have this one. This is different than this. This is the quality of this is the best in all these kind of fittings, and also the price is the expensive one in all these kind of fittings. You can see the cap. The cap shows its size, and you can see this size is 16. Yes, 16 means it can connect. It can only connect the holes. The whole size is also 16. They can connect with each other. So if you connect them, it looks like this. It's an assembly. Yes. You can connect this side with your machine, and the other side you can connect with other machine, maybe something else. And you can see the host number here. Host is 1.5, and this is a half host. So means the fitting you can only use a half. Then they can connect with each other. Okay, and we also have three side fittings like this. You can see 1, 2, 3. Yes, means it can pass. It can pass liquid with three sides. So normally is this two side, but if you have any requirement, you can use this three side. Okay, let's see the high pressure jet washer hose. This hose, the pressure of this hose is very high, so it can up to 2,115 bars. So if you have the requirements of high pressure, you can use this hose. And also this have a black one and vapor surface. This is a smooth surface. Yes. And you can see the structure. This is the hose is one steel wire braided hose. And it also have fiber braided. If you want a cheaper price, you can do fiber braided. Yes, and the last one is the industrial hose. This is made of inner rubber and outside rubber. You can see this is two different color. One, the inner rubber is orange, the outside rubber is blue. Yes. So this hose will very expensive than the one color hose because the material we use will use better better rubber. Yes. And this is the fabric layers. And for the material test, the raw material test, every step of the production we have a certification, and every step we will test the quality of the raw material. Only the raw material passes the test, and we will use them, and we will give the product which passed the test certification. We can use the certification to find who products the hose, and if the hose have any defective point, we will cut it and not sell it to our customer. We will promise all the hose we sell to our client is perfectly. Yes.
没意思。哎，皮路线，我的东西可是衣服的西装。
我有太阳晒面活，所以才只能到那边近的能不能回去？你从哪着急过？有来了应该。那昨天我还看到你，我到那。
然后上家公司的时候，然后得去拍视频，他们就拿对拿着拍，就经常就这样。对，然后还有我就是出镜，就经常这样拍，有时候拍了一个，就现在还敢留着我的视频。刚他们现在我消息
我那天回来，我们那边有很多。
公司那个人手上的公司。
是吧？
那个做节目的那种大型比赛，也是季节了。对，还有他们这些一个小时的东西，然后是一个儿童。对，那上来就问价，但是上来你多价，人都跑。你跟他多聊点吧，他就不跟你聊。没法收在我们这玩意儿。
其实咱们那个餐之前
我没看那个视频，没看，我现在时间太长了。对啊。你上班做饭慢点，你说这个5个人啊？干啥？你说这个聊天聊不多久？你在这儿？反正要不是行个多久？这不得还有人？就是上次我们有5个人培训。
还在实习期。
对，那个叫刘聊的人。
然后还有
一个是我姐
我靠！干啥？你个上去，
真是就是在这边就是那种
不得
差点运气，
先过了。我记住不了。多少钱？30周。我在不了银行。几个手机箱？这个箱。这个也箱。说一下。你看这个有多少钱？啊，头银行。银行是什么？这个也背了对。你看，这怎么嘞？哦。但是用手机。不知道哎，那个 ID。一账号。这个。那这样好。这样不是这些啊？是这个点，我们这次可相对是多少钱？这是多少钱？一样的多少钱？这就是直播的多人机。那相当于特别。啥情况？这是什么工业家的在那边？那到这了。我说你说你我说你搞你个号码，你搞来，你还是那。 给你交代了。啊，给你交代了。那我还奇怪呢，我这种就有这个行业啊，奇迹的，
那个基金老板，
能做来，那这样也值个劲儿。
但是你要不是他会有文化在那些，在看
你看，
看
奇迹发展，你看这个也想就是，哎，不是。
招聘 VIP 会员，能免费发水、看简历。想问一下，
你看，那都得在这都没有动了这个。因为这个方案，中午那个方案用的，然后这个方案了，有一点是这样说的，点点上的。啊，是的，这样，它是这样，平台啊，或者快点儿。你去这儿的？
我去那儿弄的，给名儿说咱能问过来，然后我再让我的不是让也给看看啊。
是的，
订个两个啊。再另外一张，咱这手机弄不了一上午，一上午就得死机。手写的名背着呢，背着五号，妍妍不是小妍，妍。在哪儿？我不是今天能变化，那一人摆，我这边也是在交流的，我想之前是我时间，因为你这刚啊水酒，我放了我又来这里。是不是人家想就是说的不太好，没有那种我这方面对放吧，我给他使用几个拉低的，或者我们这个在上面看，我到时候来中国的情况。哦，那有这种。有私人个啥的？啥价格的？我给你搞定，好呀。像是啥？我是没有，这个我认识过。喂，对，你是不是我了？我哦，然后，对，啊。就是这个名儿有那么然后这个汉字我从这个像这个再说再别人给我下面放上去怎么样？黄面的不用了，黄面的话。我也是看到了，所以有自己经过的话呀，多少钱啊？然后我挺想去几千万的，这就是人往的呀。哎，初级就我这个想有天，那咱这个说呢？就是6号。没昨天你说的，对不对？就是正好他就我当时人家是没有生法，没有有。你说的是对的，你在咱是一个3P买，你去做这个买。不是你可能是6号生肖，你让这6号生肖。对，因为像你那就是和6号生肖里面，你像咱们那小说里面那种。你也是刚说一下，我是前2天说的，你给他一个了，让人家知道我上面，我什么都不来钱的。你这块是我的印记，就给做，咱们那边做起来。啊，那是的，是这儿来的，不是人看的，我下午没有买，没有办法，下午做人家给我做的，你也算你。 不过是来法的时候，实际上是上交的。没问题啊，你应该问的。那这次出了钱了，就钱这就没办法，因为没办法一分钱，更是省钱。对，我是对。但是菜要下不上路，就是说这个算是问题，所以呢，这个是，OK，我给他说人家有人家是啥地方的，让我上不来。我们这用好就会是跳一跳，我们这个跳一跳，这种是，跳一跳，跳一跳，跳一跳，那就，你们说这个这个两个人，用来的是哎，对吧？这样非常非常这个，这个就。6月的，6月的在我儿子的，多少钱呢？因为我是不多少钱啊？是的，对。笑死了！你也简直了！你要是就是这么看，老板也这啊？我以为咱就老板那儿做，那我刚才有点声音。行吧。我看那个新闻房多少钱？就搞出来的，就是你搞的这个就挺好的。好了。好。我怎么样？从我怎么样啊？啊，等会儿好绿的。啊。
进来了啊。
好嘞。好嘞。OK 讲了。穿这好了。OK 啊。
Hello everyone. Hello everyone, this is Rita of Sinopulse company. This is my partner.
Yes.
Let me introduce our company. Sinopulse is a wholesale fitting factory established in 2001, and they have more than 20 years experience of export. And we export our products to more than 80 countries. Our products include hydraulic hose, industrial hose, PC hose, and or console fittings, industrial fittings, hydraulic fittings, etc. Today we will introduce the hydraulic. Today we will introduce our products one by one. First, let me introduce the hydraulic hose. Uh, a hydraulic hose can divide into two different. This is a hydraulic hose with smooth surface, and this hydraulic hose with wrapped surface. You can see their difference. Let me introduce the wrapped hydraulic hose first. As you can see, this is a hydraulic hose with wrapped surface. Its specification is 2S with 5/16 inch. The working pressure can up to 350 bar. Yes, it's very high. This is our machine certificate. We have obtained the A series of certificate, international certificate include Masha, SAE, and Ghost. You can find the Masha certificate number on the official website. This is the tool as a hydraulic hose. You can see it's referenced with two steel warehouse referenced. And we can produce this hose from 20 meters per row to 100 meters per row as our customers' needs. After the introduction of the rock hydraulic hose, let me introduce the smooth surface of the hydraulic hose.
你是什么语？
我是英语。
两个人都是英语。
对。
After the introduction of the wrapped hydraulic hose, now let me introduce the smooth surface of the hydraulic hose. As you can see, this is SAER218. This ley line, this part is our Sinopulse brand. This is our brand logo. This is our brand name. This is the product name SAER218. You can see the working pressure here. The working pressure is 16.5 MPa. The last part is the marshal certificate of our products. As our products have obtained a series of international certificates include Masha, SAE, and Ghost certification. This is a smooth surface with 1 inch. Let's see its structure, reference structure. As you can see, it has two layers steel wheel referenced. And the inner two is also produced with the rubber. And this kind of house with 1 inch, it can produce up to 100 meters per row. We can produce according to our customers' needs. If you have any needs, please contact us. Now let me introduce the next product is the industrial house. Let me have a short introduction of the industrial house. The industrial house can up to 20 bar. The working pressure can up to 20 bar. It's more lower than the hydraulic house. The industrial house include air house, air water house, fuel oil house, fuel oil suction house, and etc. Let me introduce one of the industrial house. This is a twin welding house. It is also industrial house. Normally it have blue and green one or green and red one. This is a blue red one. This kind of house with the brass fittings are very popular in the American market. We can produce the 50 feet, 75 feet, and 100 feet on the package. The 1/4 inch of this size is very popular in the American market. Now let me introduce another product, PVC product. Our PVC product ranges include PVC clear house, PVC lilac house, PVC steel warehouse, PVC garden house, and PVC fiber referenced house. This is a PVC fiber referenced house. As you can see, its outer cover is clear and the inner tube is white. So we can see the fiber referenced structure directly. This kind of house have two strips, a red strip and a blue strip. And as you can see, this kind of PVC house is very flexible. We can use this house in many applications in the life. This house can also produce the 100 meters per hour. Now let me introduce fittings to everybody. This is a fitting of hydraulic house. As you can see, it's a street fittings with the female's ride and with it has one mark. With one mark, we can know it is the UK standard, and let's look at the inner of the inside of the fittings. It has a 60-degree cone, so it's a 6-degree cone steel. Our fittings is made of carbon steel, we can guarantee the quality. The fittings and the ferrules can connected together to the hydraulic house of the industrial house to make a house assembly. As you can see, this is the house assembly. This is the ferrule sleeve, and this is fittings. We can make the house assemblies according to our customers' needs. The assembly lines can also according to the customers' requirements.